Today, we took a quick weekend road trip to Central Coast, New South Wales. First stop, Brooklyn Park. A perfect stop for breakfast with a view. Parking here is free in most areas. Next, we headed to Somersby Falls. There's an $8 fee. Not sure if it's for parking or entrance, but it's worth it for a whole day of adventure. Going down to the falls was fun, but getting close? Even better. Calie was a bit hesitant to get closer, but look at that face. She's loving it here. Next up, Pearl Beach. Our first time here, and we highly recommend it for toddlers. The sea is calm and it's not too crowded. Final stop, Umina Playground. But someone fell asleep before we even got there. If you're visiting Central Coast, check out these spots. We definitely recommend them for a fun family getaway.